Hey there, English learners, welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn English letters sounds from A to Z. In English, each letter has its own unique sound, so it's important to learn the letters' sounds to pronounce the words correctly. So let's begin the lesson and look at English letters sounds. A makes the sound a, like apple, apple. B makes the sound b, like book, book. C makes the sound k, like car, car. D makes the sound d, like dog, dog. E makes the sound e, like elephant, elephant. F makes the sound like flower, flower. G makes the sound g, like dog, dog. H makes the sound like horse, horse. I makes the sound e, like image, image. J makes the sound j, like jar, jar. K makes the sound k, like key, key. L makes the sound l, like lemon, lemon. M makes the sound like moon, moon. N makes the sound like nose, nose. O makes the sound ah, like orange, orange. P makes the sound like people, people. Q makes the sound qu, like question, question. R makes the sound r, like ruler, ruler, ruler. S makes the sound s, like sun, sun. T makes the sound like train, train. U makes the sound like umbrella, umbrella. V makes the sound v, like vase, vase. W makes the sound v, like wood, wood. X makes the sound s, like taxi, taxi. Y makes the sound Yeah, yeah, like yellow, yellow. And finally, the letter Z makes the sound Z, Z, like zebra, zebra. Okay, I hope it was useful for you. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe the channel, share and like the videos, and share your opinions in the comment section with us. Wish you all the best and see you next time.